Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. This is the intraday for Bitcoin. We are looking at the last few candles here for the 1 hour chart. We see of course some higher prices impulsively, and this is exactly what we were expecting here. For a wave D, of course, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 finished impulse toward the upside, I would say, and this is of course your wave A. You're looking for a wave B and a wave C still to unfold, of course, as another impulse to finish up here. A wave D, of course, for this triangle. And after finishing the wave D here, we're looking for another zigzag for wave E that it might bring the price a little bit lower again, and then starting the real push toward the upside again. Potentially, of course, to take, of course, the wave C here as an ABC. Your wave B is a WX, and a wave Y is this triangle right now to finish, of course, as this wave B over there. Now, as a wave 2, well, can be, of course, it is a possibility, but the possibility is lower than a wave B. I would say we need to break the 1-to-1 fib levels. This is where we get, of course, the confirmation that we are in a wave 2 is exactly when we break above the 99K. When we break above it, okay, then I take into consideration a wave 2, much more than a wave B, of course. But currently, I'm still considering only a wave B that it is unfolding there, and we might see, of course, a wave C following towards the 99K or 98K 700. Yep, so this is regarding Bitcoin for the intraday, guys. It is exactly as expected for this triangle so far. Don't forget, of course, the 90K 650 breaking it, meaning if we push further toward the upside and we take the high here, preferably, of course, this high, which is the 90K 600. If we take it directly, you have to forget about the triangle. Directly, we move toward the upside, and very likely that this complex structure here is your wave Y somehow finished. Truncation, it doesn't matter, but of course you have to consider like a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. But only if we break, of course, above these two highs. Therefore, you can consider that we can continue toward the upside. But if we don't break this price here, and the price still ranging below, expect, of course, a wave E, of course, before we push for higher again. Yep, that was it. The intraday for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.